happening? Turbo TV. Hey. So it's gonna be different today. Ooh, that damn mask. It's gonna be different today, man. As you see, I'm in the house. I am not outside. Oh, you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, then hit that bell, let it drop down. It's gonna be 3 things. Hit the top one and say all, so you can be notified every time I post. Returning people, what's happening? So, like I said, I'm in the house today. Finna do a little project. I be bored sometimes, so I always want to update my house. So I'm about to do it today. So what we're doing today, as you see, kitchen, a little dirty, excuse all that. But you see the LEDs right there. We finna put LEDs somewhere else. So Zaytoven, I don't know if he knew he was a part of this project, but yeah, me and Zaytoven are about to take the lights up the stairs. I'm only doing this side first to get a trial run, see how I like it. If I like it a lot, then I'll do this side too. But the lights ain't cheap. Yeah, for the real ones, they're not cheap. So I went to my favorite store for house shit, which is IKEA. Boom. So these are the lights, the Ledbergs. I got 3 of them. I probably only use 2, but I got 3. They all change colors, as do those, as do, show y'all, welcome to the office. I need to clean my office. So do these around this door. As you see, they are changing. So, about to put these up out there. I got lights in the kitchen, lights behind that TV. Man, let me turn everything on. I should have had this already together, but I just decided to record while I was cleaning off the steps. But yeah, lights behind that TV, lights upstairs, lights everywhere. The reason why I'm doing this is because people go up and down these steps, and as y'all know, it be drinks poured over here. People can't see all the time. So, I mean, then it's just a new, another feature, so you're gonna get it done. But before y'all even start, if y'all gonna do this at home, man, clean this shit off. Like, I just got done doing it all the way up, but as you can see, it's dirty, it's dust. So you wanna clean that first. So, Zaytoven got one already open. Let me see. You give it here. Give it here. I know what I'm doing. Come on, record. You don't need to read. I've been doing this, man.
Excuse you.
You can't be telling people that you do drugs on my phone.
Mother wants to talk. Oh my god.
So, it's at the end, bro. At the end, you deal with it. Right.
Should be able to connect them all to each other. Yeah.
You gotta get down here to be, yeah. But you can connect them at the same time. So, I'll show you when I get there. Alright, so this is what y'all wanna do, man. They come in the strip. They come like this, which is convenient. Take the 3M, undo it, and then just keep going. So we're gonna start down at the bottom. Yeah, because I want that cord not to be exposed. I don't care. I should be fucking cool until this is done. What you think?
To do what?
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna turn it on when we're done. Alright. As y'all can see, I'm very bright now and there's no lights on. So I guess let me show y'all what we did. Well, I'm gonna go through all of them. So as y'all know, where I showed you earlier, the downstairs living room got the lights behind the TV already. That was already done. And then just in case, you know what I'm saying, entertainment purposes, this light, but my lamp is so dope because it's gold on the inside. But anywho, that shit off. We don't need that no more. So, As you see, it's stupid bright. Yeah, let's go to my office. And we got these in here to go around the door because, you know, this is where the lives happen. I was just gonna put a light behind my computer, but I mean, it's big, but it's not that damn big. So boom, they over here. You know what I'm saying? We good there. Then we come over here. These was the first ones I ever put up, ever. I just think that shit is dope as fuck. But so got the lights under the cabinets all the way around. I was gonna put lights under the island, which would be dope as shit. The only thing is that the cord would come all the way down. You don't want your cord to be seen. That, you know what I'm saying? So that wouldn't really work, but that would be dope. I might just do it. I might just put lights under this island. I'm gonna have the most lit up shit possible. So the whole meaning of this video was to go up the steps. So as you see, they up the steps. I was gonna do this side too, but when I go upstairs, you'll understand why I didn't. This shit, since it's not facing this way, that shit is stupid bright. Matter of fact, look. So that's the ceiling. So it looked just like it do look down here. But I'm gonna show you what it looked like from upstairs. And I stopped right here. This is as far as it goes, which is actually long because it go down the crease and all of that. So it stops here and don't go up no further. But as you can see, it's still bright as a motherfucker. So from up here, why is my camera blurry? My camera don't like the lights. All right, we back. So from up here, as you see, it looks ridiculous. Ridiculous. And then it's already LEDs in my shit, so, you know. But yeah, so no point going all the way up the steps. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, I don't know. But as for now, that's good enough. These lights are just so that people can see going up the stairs, which you can see. And then, you know, you come in the house, you know, something to catch your eye. So then, I still got one more left. Open one pack, open the second pack. So I said, well, what am I gonna do with this pack? And boom, that's what we did with the other pack. I went around the fireplace. So now, I ain't gonna turn the lights on for nothing. Nothing. I had excess. I'm gonna cut this excess. Don't worry about that. But for now, that's how it be. And then I'm gonna tuck this cord up against the wall, let it ride, staple it down, call it a day. Usually, show you how it is usually in here. Usually this light is on. This damn light is on. The lamp, yeah, I was gonna turn it on. The lamp be on. Like this is just stupid to have all this shit on. There's absolutely no reason for that when all of this stuff is illuminated. Here in a minute, and I should have thought about that while we was there, so I'm gonna get a light for in here, in the achievement trophy case, whatever you wanna call it. And then get one for this side too. That way, you know what I'm saying? You got the TV light, and then you got a light over there and a light over there. But basically, bruh, that's it. That's everything that was done. So now I can turn all this shit off. Oh, I need to change these two. These are coming out. They yellow. They ain't even LEDs. Like them is LEDs. Them hoes is yellow. Can you see the difference? Yellow, bright white. But yeah, so that's it, man. I know this ain't no car stuff. Don't care. I did it on purpose just to see who loyal and who really gonna watch. But yeah, upgrades to your house gotta happen too. It can't only be about your car. So, until the next one, man, I'm out. Zay? All right.